Hello everyone, this is our part 2 of basic electronics. So here is the first slide. Transistor experiment, LED on and off. Turning the switch on off turns the LED on off. Here is the switch. If we turn off it, an LED will turn off. If we turn on, then it will be turned on. So that is JFET transistor. Junction field is like BJTs. 3 LED semiconductor devices. JFET are used as electrically control switch, current wires and voltage resistors. Unlike BJTs base current and are controlled by using only a voltage. JEFs are normally on when VG minus 0. When VG minus Vs is does not equal to 0, then JEFs become resistive to current flow through the drain source pair. JEFs are depletion devices. There are the types. There are of 2 types, N channel and P channel. In N channel JEF, a negative voltage applied at the rate its gate with Vg is less than Vs reduce current flow from drain to source. It operates with Vd is greater than Vs. Vd is greater than Vs. In P channel JEFs, a positive voltage applied. In N channel negative voltage is applied. In P channel positive voltage is applied at the rate its gate with Vg is greater than Vs. Reduce current. It reduce current when Vg is less than Vs. Reduce current from the flow of source to drain. It operates with Vs is greater than Vd. JFET have very high input impedance and draw little or no input current. If there is any circuit component connected to JEF, no current is drawn away from or sunk into this circuit. This is N channel, this is P channel, this is drain, gate, source, and there is another type of transistor. This is MOSFET, metal oxide semiconductor FET, similar to JFET. A metal oxide insulator is placed at the gate to obtain a high input impedance at the gate. High impedance कहाँ पे gate में? Gate input impedance approx 10⁻14 ohms. Use of insulator as described above as metal oxide insulators yield a low gate to channel capacitance. If too much static electricity build up on the gate, the MOSFET may be damaged. This is the figure of MOSFET. Types of MOSFET. Enhancement type. Normally off, thus no current flow through drain source channel when Vg is equal to Vs. When a voltage applied at the rate gate source Vg is greater than Vs, the drain source channel reduces resistance to current flow. Depletion type. Normally on, thus maximum current flows through drain source channel when Vg is equal to Vs. When a voltage applied at the gate source Vg does not equal to Vs, the drain source channel increases resistance to current flow. Enhancement MOSFET and depletion MOSFET. Here is the drain source and gate, they are not connected. Here is the gate source and drain, and this is the depletion, they are connected together. Here is the N type, here is the P type, here is the N type, and here is the P type channel. Opt electronics. In opt electronics, we deal with 2 types of electronic devices. Here we deal with the 2 types of electronic devices. One is LED and ID, infrared detector and emitting diodes. Light emitting electronic devices, ones that generate electromagnetic energy under the action of electrical field. Example, LED, visible and infrared light. Light detecting devices, they are LED. Ones that transfer electromagnetic energy input into electrical current voltage. Example, photo resistors, photodiodes, etc. are the examples of LED. And the examples of LED, light emitting diodes, they are the light emitting diodes, they are the LEDs. 2 LED semiconductor devices. Light emitting PN junction diode, visible or infrared light, has polarity. Recall diodes act as a one-way gate for current flow. A forward bias PN junction diode allow current flow from anode to cathode. An LED conducts and emit light when its anode is made more positive, approx 1.4 volt, than its cathode. With reverse polarity, LED stops conducting and emitting lights. LED stop conducting and emitting lights. This is the LED. This is the anode. This is the cathode. Cathode is a shorter lag and anode is a longer lag, and this is the flat. Similar to diode, LED are current dependent device. LED brightness is controlled by controlling current through LED. Too little current through LED. LED remains off. Small current through LED. Dimly lit LED. Light current through LED. Brightly lit LED. Too much current through LED. LED is destroyed. A resistor placed in series with LED accomplish current control. Resistor इसलिए लगा जाता है ताकि वो करंट को कंट्रोल कर सके. Let Vs be the supply voltage. Let Vf be the required forward bias voltage for the LED. Let I be the desired current flow through LED. Then the current limiting resistance R is sized as follows: Vr is equal to Vs minus Vf. Vr, Vf, and this is Vs. R is equal to Vr upon I. Current flowing in this. Vs minus Vf minus I. Vf, Vs, current flowing is I. If R is chosen smaller than the above value, a larger current will flow through the LED. LEDs can handle only limited current, varies from 20 mA to 100 mA. If current through LED is larger than the maximum allowed value, then the LED will be damaged. Visible LED. Inexpensive and durable. Typical uses as indicator lights. Common colors green, yellow, orange and red, and their कितना इनका फोकस होता है. Maximum forward voltage is approximately volt, typical operating current 1 to 3 mA, typical brightness level 1.0 to 3.0 MCD per 1 mA to 0.3 MCD per 2 mA. High brightness LEDs exist, used in high brightness flashers, example bicycle flashers. This is a type of jumbo, this is a miniature. There are the indicators. Contain a miniature integrated circuit that cause LED to flash from 1 to 0 times per second. Typical use indicator flashers may also be used as simple oscillator. Used as simple oscillators. Tricolor LED. Two LEDs placed in parallel facing opposite directions. One LED is red or orange, the other is green. Current flow is one direction. Current flow in one direction turns one LED on while the other remains off due to reverse bias. Current flow in the other direction turns the light LED off and the second LED on. Rapid switching of current flow direction will alternatively turns the two LEDs on, giving yellow light. Used as a polarity indicators. Maximum voltage rating 3 volt. Operating range is 10 to 20 meter ampere. This is green, this is red. दो LEDs ऐड की जाती है. This is cathode, this is red and this is green. 7 segment LED display used for displaying number and other characters. 7 individual LEDs are used to make up the display. When a voltage is applied across one of the LEDs, a portion of 8 lights up. Unlike liquid crystal display LCD, 7 segment display tends to be more rugged, but they also consume more power. And this is a part of microelectronics. How LED works. The light emitting section of an LED is made up of joining N-type and P-type semiconductors together to form a junction. When P and N-type are connected together, that forms a junction. That is here. This is N-type, this is P-type, and this is the junction. The meeting point is the junction. When the P-N junction is forward biased, electrons in the side cross the P-N junction and into the P side holes. जब ये फॉरवर्ड वाइज होगा तो इलेक्ट्रॉन एन टाइप में से पी टाइप की तरफ भागेंगे और जाकर कंबाइन हो जाएंगे, जंक्शन को तोड़ करके चले जाएंगे. एज इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कंबाइन विद द होल्स, फोटॉन्स आर एमिटेड. जब इलेक्ट्रॉन्स और होल्स कंबाइन होंगे तो फोटॉन्स प्रोड्यूस होंगे. एंड पीएन जंक्शन सेक्शन ऑफ एन एलईडी इज एनकैस्ट इन एन epoxy shell that is doped with light scattering particles into diffuse light and make the LED appears brighter. इसकी वजह से क्या दिखता है, LED ब्राइट दिखती है. Offer a reflector placed beneath the semiconductor is used to direct the light upward. इसकी वजह से लाइट जाती है ऊपर की साइड जाती है. Photoresistors. Light sensitive variable resistors. Its resistance depends on the intensity of light incident upon it. Under dark condition resistance is quite high. Under bright condition resistance is lowest, few hundred, and highest में क्या होता है, mega ampere or dark resistance. And the response time is when a photoresistor is exposed to light, it takes a few milliseconds before it lowers its resistance. When a photoresistor experiences removal of light, it may take a few seconds to return to its dark resistance. This is the symbol, and this is actual. Photoresistors part 2. Some photoresistors respond better to light that contains photons within a particular wavelength of spectrum. Example: cadmium sulfide. Photoresistors respond to light within 400 to 800 nm range. Example: lead sulfate. Photoresistors respond to infrared light. How photoresistors work? Here's the working. Special semiconductor crystals such as cadmium sulfide or lead sulfide is used to make photoresistors. Cadmium and lead sulfides are used to prepare a photoresistor. When this semiconductor is placed in dark, जब photoresistors को dark में रखा जाता है, electrons within the structure resist flow through the resistors because they are too strongly bound to the crystal atom. वो होता है बहुत strong bond होता है crystal atom के साथ. When this semiconductor is illuminated, incoming photons of light collide with the bounds collide करते हैं, टकराते हैं, bounds electrons, stripping them from the binding atoms, thus creating holes in the process. Liberated electrons contribute to the current flowing through the device. इसकी वजह से क्या होता है, डिवाइस में करंट फ्लो होता है. Look at the figure. यहाँ से इलेक्ट्रॉन्स फ्लो हो रहे हैं, मीटर लगा हुआ है, लिबरेटेड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं. यहाँ पे कैडमियम सल्फाइड सेमीकंडक्टर. दिस इज होल्स हियर. द एक्चुअल पैकेज, कंप्लीट पैकेज ऐसा दिखता है और रियल में ऐसा होता है. Here is the bulb. There is a conventional current flow. Now, photoresistor application. Light activated relay. Light sensitive voltage divider. Light sensitive voltage divider is being used to trip a relay. Whenever the light intensity change. So light intensity change रहती है, strip the relay. Light activated circuit. When the photoresistor is exposed to light, its resistance decreases. Transistor's base current and voltage increase, and if the base current and voltage are large enough, the collector emitter pair of the transistor conducts, triggering the relay. The value of R1 in the light activated circuit should be around 1 kilo ohm, but may have to be adjusted. Dark activated relay work in a similar but opposite manner. R1 in the dark activated circuit 100 kilo ohm may also have to be adjusted. A 6 to 9 volt relay with a 500 ohm coil can be used in their circuit. Photodiode is a two-layered semiconductor device that transforms light energy to electrical current. क्या काम करते हैं photodiode? लाइट एनर्जी को इलेक्ट्रिक करंट में ट्रांसफर करती है. Suppose anode and cathode of a photodiode are buried to a current meter. When photodiode is placed in dark, the current meter displays zero current flow. When the photodiode is exposed to light, it acts as a current source, causing current flow from cathode to anode or photodiode to the current meter. Photodiode have very linear light versus current characteristics, commonly used as light meter in cameras. Photodiodes often have built-in lenses and optical fibers. Response time of a photodiode slow with increasing surface area. जितना बड़ा surface area उतना ही slow. Photodiodes are more sensitive than photoresistors. Here is the symbol and actual figure. How photodiode works? Photodiode, a thin n-type semiconductor sandwiched with a thicker p-type semiconductor. The n-type is so small and p-type is big, means thicker, mota, or n-type है पतला. N side is cathode and p side is anode, means anode is positive, cathode is negative. Upon elimination, photon passes from the side N and into the p side of photodiode. Some photons making it into p side collide with bond electrons within p semiconductors, ejecting them and creating holes. If these collisions are close to the p interface, the ejected electrons cross the junction, yielding extra electrons on the n side and extra holes on the p side. Segregation of positive and negative charges leads to potential differences across the p-n junction when a wire is connected between the cathode and anode. A conventionally positive current flow from the anode is cathode. This is electron flow. This is conventional current flow. This is anode. This is cathode. ये कहाँ से flow रहा है? Cathode से, ये कहाँ से flow रहा है? Anode से. This is a bulb. This is a very thin layer of n-type, thick layer of p-type. Photodiode applications. Photovoltaic current sources. Photodiode converts light energy directly into the electrical current that can be measured with meter. Photodiode में light energy को electrical energy में convert कर देते हैं और उसको अपन मीटर से check कर सकते हैं. The input intensity of light and the output current are nearly linear. The light and the output current are nearly linear. Solar cells are photodiodes with very large surface area. Compared to usual photodiodes, the large surface area is photodiode of a solar cell. A device that is more sensitive to incoming light. A device that yields more power, large current volts. Solar cell yield more power. A single solar cell may provide up to 0.5 that can supply 0.1 ampere when exposed to bright light. This is a solar plate and this is a battery symbol, positive and negative. This is a solar plate. How we install a solar plate? Solar cell basic operation power sources. Look at the figures. Increased voltage, increased current. इसमें current ज़्यादा है, इसमें voltage ज़्यादा है. Each solar cell produces an open circuit voltage from around 0.45 to 0.5 volt. So approximately 5 volts इसको start किया जाता है and may generate as much as 0.1 ampere in bright light. Similar to battery, solar cell can be combined in series or parallel. Solar cell can combine in series or parallel. Adding cells in series yield output voltage that is the sum of the individual cell voltages. Adding solar cell in parallel yield an increased output current. Vice versa, a single solar cell. Solar cell basic operation. Battery changer. 9 solar cell placed in series can be used to recharge 2 1.5 volt NICD cells. The diode is added to the circuit to prevent the nickel cadmium cell from discharging through the solar cell during time of darkness. It is important note to exceed the safe charging rate of NICD nickel cadmium cell. To slow the charge rate, a resistor can be placed in series with the batteries. Phototransistor is a light sensitive transistor. In a common type of phototransistor, the base lead of a BJT is replaced by a light sensitive surface. When the light sensitive surface at the base is kept in darkness, the collector emitted pair of the BJT does not conduct. When the light sensitive surface at the base is exposed to light, a small amount of current flows from the base to the emitter. The small base emitter current controls the larger collector emitter current. Alternatively, one can also use a field effect phototransistor, photo FET. A photo FET, the light exposure generates a gate voltage which controls a drain source current. Phototransistor and photo FET. This is the basic difference. How phototransistor work? Look at the figures. Collector and emitter in the lower figure and epoxy lens. So the bipolar phototransistor resembles a bipolar transistor that has extra large p-type semiconductor region that is open for light exposure. When photons from a light source collide with electrons within the p-type semiconductor, they gain enough energy to jump across the p-n junction. Energy barriers provide the photons are of the right frequency energy. As electrons jump from p region into the lower n region, holes are created in the p-type semiconductor. The extra electrons injected into the lower n-type slab are drawn towards the positive terminal of the battery, while electrons from the negative terminal of the battery are drawn into the upper n-type semiconductor and across the n-p junction. Whereas they come the holes, the net is an electron that from the emitter to the collector. Applications. Light active relays. Phototransistors applications. Light active relay. A phototransistor is used to control the base current supplied to a power switching transistor that is used to supply current to the relay. Used to control the base current supplied. When light comes in contact with the phototransistor turns on, allowing current to pass from the supply into the base of the power switching transistor. This allows the power switching transistor to turn on the current relay, triggering it to switch states. A 100K pot is used to adjust the sensitivity of device by controlling current flow through the phototransistors. This is the figure. Both the light activated relay and this is the dark activated relay. A phototransistor is used to control the base current supplied to a power switching transistor that is used to supply current to a relay. When light is removed from the phototransistor turns off, allowing more current to enter into the base of the power switching transistor. This allows the power switching transistor to turn on the current flow through the relay. Going through the relay. Triggering it to switch states. The 100K port is used to adjust the sensitivity of device. 100K port इसलिए यूज होती है to adjust the sensitivity of device by controlling current flow through the phototransistor. The figure is same, difference is this. ऊपर नीचे हुए. अब आते हैं tachometer में इसका application. A phototransistor is being used as a frequency counter or tachometer. Tachometer is used for count the frequency. A rotating disc is connected to a rotating shaft. The rotating disc has one hole in it. For the given setup, the disc will allow light to pass through the holes once every revolution. The light passing through the disc triggering the phototransistor into conduction. A frequency current is used to count the number of electrical pulses generated. And this is a rotating disc with a hole, light source. This is it. Thank you so much. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक करना, कमेंट करना, सब्सक्राइब करना और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करना ताकि उनके भी काम आए. कुछ कमी रह गई हो तो कमेंट में बताओ. नेक्स्ट वीडियो 110% उसको इंप्रूव करेंगे. आगे की वीडियो और भी इंटरेस्टिंग होगी. सेटअप चेंज करते जा रहे हैं, डे बाय डे इक्विपमेंट्स खरीद रहे हैं ताकि आप लोगों के लिए अच्छा प्रोडक्ट बना के दिया जा सके. कुछ अच्छी वीडियोस, क्रिएटिव वीडियोस बना रहे हैं फॉर योर मेंटल हेल्थ टू, वैकेंसीज के लिए भी और जेईई की वैकेंसी के लिए तो हम हैं आपके साथ हमेशा. थैंक यू सो मच. टिल देन डू व्हाटएवर यू वांट्स टू डू बट डोंट अफेक्ट योर स्टडीज. बाय बाय.